Being a female engineer at CMTA means bringing my unique talents and perspective to the company, which helps build its resiliency and overall brings it success. And in doing that, I have been able to find my own success here as well.
As a female engineer at CMTA, the opportunities are really endless because you are your greatest obstacle. So it doesn't matter if you're a man or you're a woman, like you are your biggest obstacle and you will undertake as much as you can take on. So
I think being a female engineer in our office really just means opportunity, just like with anybody else in our office. If you want to succeed, you're going to be given the opportunity to do whatever you want here at Energy Solutions.
Being a female engineer at CMTA means that I get to work at a place that not only embraces diversity, but works to promote it.
I'm Liz Alford. I'm a mechanical engineer at CMTA and I've been here for 4 years. From a very young age, I loved mathematics. And in college, I had a great professor who helped steer me into the mechanical engineering school at UK. And once I did that, I co-opted at CMTA and that was it for me. I knew this was what I wanted to do.
Hi, my name is Megan Brangers. I went to the University of Louisville and I'm an engineer here in the Louisville office with Energy Solutions.
Hi, my name is Ashley. I'm an energy engineer here at CMTA Energy Solutions. I graduated in May 2020 from Purdue University with a degree in energy engineering and from Butler University with a degree in environmental studies.
I've been inspired by the women I work with here at CMTA. I get to watch them balance life and work, manage clients and lead projects, and that's given me the courage to really set lofty career goals for myself and dream really big for what my career and my life can look like.
The first time I interacted with CMTA, my point of contact was a leader in our Louisville office, Tracy Stewart, and it really just inspired me to see another female taking on leadership positions in the engineering field.
My name is Tracy Stewart. I'm a mechanical engineer. I've been in the HVAC business for close to 30 years now. So what it means to be a female engineer at CMTA is that I have the opportunity to bring a different perspective to design. My background is a little different. My life experiences are different. Therefore, I get to bring something different to our goals for being innovative to CMTA that helps drive us to be a leader in the industry.
CMTA has, basically really just energetically thrown in a way to support, recognize, and encourage and strengthen and define more what women engineers mean to this company.
I feel blessed to be surrounded by so many amazing engineering heroes and female mentors at CMTA, from those that balance being a project manager with being a mother, to those that take time out of their day to invest in me as an engineer and really focus on my growth through the company.
I'm inspired by the female engineers at CMTA and the way that they contribute to the projects the same way that the men do.
To be a female engineer at CMTA feels surreal and inspires me to create a path for female engineers coming after me to rise all the way to the top.
The amount of women that are in this office, it's astonishing. We are a major minority in this office, and it's great to see that strength in ability and in what we bring to the table.
For the future of women in engineering, I not only want to see more women in STEM careers, but also in lead engineering roles, whether that is as bosses or as project managers, or just overall highly visible engineering heroes and role models for future generations.
My hope for the future of engineering is that there'll be just as many women in the field as there are men, and I hope that I can be an example to younger girls of a confident and independent female in the industry.
My hopes for women in engineering is that they find their voice and that they come and they sit at the table, that they share their ideas, that they find themselves part of a team where they can let down their guard and they can bring up crazy ideas. And it may work, it may not work, but it may spark an idea in someone else.
5 to 10 years from now, that you're going to see not just one woman at a table, you might even see more women at a table than men on many projects, and I think that's very exciting.
Female engineers are treated no differently than male engineers. There's really no differentiation. There's no limit to what you can do with CMTA. There's no limit to what fields you can go into or how far you can rise.
And so here at CMTA, it's one of those places that you really can let your guard down and say, you know, hey, what about this? And it may be crazy, like I said, but it may work. And so I think that different perspective that women bring to the table is something that can be leveraged to find new design ideas as we move forward in this industry.